Hello everybody! In this video I will discuss the addition and subtraction of integers. I will also discuss a few real-life examples. Simplify 5 minus 8. Now on a number line you will start at 5 and then minus 8 means you will go 8 units to the left. So you will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 minus 8's answer is negative 3. Or a short way is you say you owe me 8, that's the minus 8, the negative 8, and you pay me 5. Therefore, you still owe me negative 3. The next one, 4 minus 6. You will start at 4. Minus means go to the left 6 units. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Or short way, you owe me 6, you pay me 4, therefore you still owe me negative 2. The next one, 3 minus 3 on a number line. You start at 3, minus means go to the left. 1, 2, 3, and then 3 minus 3 is 0. Or you owe me 3, you pay me 3, therefore you owe me nothing. The next one, 5 minus 1 on a number line. You go to 5, minus means go to the left, minus 1, 5 minus 1 is 4. On this slide, minus 1 minus 3. So this one, you will start at minus 1, and then minus 1 minus 3 means go 3 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3, the answer negative 4. So the short way, you owe me 1, you owe me 3, therefore you owe me 4, negative 4. The second one, 0 minus 6. So there is 0, minus means go to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer 0 minus 6 is minus 6. The next one, minus 2 minus 3. So you start at minus 2, minus 3 means go to the left 3 units, 1, 2, 3. So the answer negative 5. Or you owe me 2, you owe me 3, therefore you owe me 5, negative 5. And then the last one, negative 2 plus 6. So you start at negative 2, and now that it's plus, you go to the right 6 units. So you start at negative 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the answer is 4. Or you can say, you have 6, you owe me 2, you pay me 2, therefore you have 4 now, plus 4. Let's look at the next couple of examples without using the number line. So we've got 2 plus 4 plus 6, that's just normal. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus 6, so the answer there is 12. If you look at that one, 4 plus bracket minus 2 plus 6. Now, where does this bracket come from? You cannot write a plus and a minus next to each other. You always separate them with a bracket. So now my advice to you is add all the positive numbers. So you've got 4 plus 6 is 10, and then there's the minus 2, and then 10 minus 2 is 8. This one, you've got minus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Again, you wait with negative 3 and you add the positive ones. 2 plus 1 is equal to plus 3. And then minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Calculate each of the following. Negative 3 plus negative 1 plus 2. So what you can do is add all the negatives. So we've got -3, -1. In other words, you owe me 3, you owe me 1. So you owe me 4 plus 2, and then you owe me 4 plus, and you pay me 2, therefore you owe me -2. -4 plus 2 is -2. On this one, it's -1 plus -5 plus -1. So in fact, they are all negative numbers that you have to add together. So you say you owe me 1, you owe me 5, it's -6, and you owe me another one. The answer, -7. Now this one, there's no brackets. It's just -1, -8, -4, which means you owe me 1, you owe me 8, which is -9, and you owe me -4, which is -13. Calculate each of the following. So now there's 4 terms, so what I would do is I'm going to add all the negatives and all the positives. So -2, you owe me 2, you owe me 4, you owe me -6. And then +1 plus 3 is +4. And then you say, you owe me 6, you pay me 4, the answer, -2. This one, 5 minus 1 plus 2 minus 3. Add all the positives. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then add all the negatives. You owe me 1, you owe me 3, so you owe me 4, -4. And then it's just a normal 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Here, add all your positives. 3 plus 0 is 3, plus 3 is equal to 6, minus 1 is 5. Let's look at some real-life problems on integers. Example 1. At 3 a.m. in Durban, the temperature was -4 degrees. At 1 p.m., it was 20 degrees. By how many degrees did the temperature rise? So in other words, this is the temperature used to be -4 plus 20. Therefore, the answer is 16 degrees. It rose by 16 degrees. Example 2. A trench in the ocean is 680 meters deep. Write the depth as an integer. Therefore, minus 680 meters. Example 3. A diver swims 80 meters below the surface of the sea. He moves 60 meters towards the surface. How far is he below the surface now? So this means the diver is at minus 80 meters, and then he moves up towards the surface plus 60 meters. And then you say minus 80 plus 60 is -20 meters. Example 4. In London, the temperature rose by 19 degrees. If the minimum temperature was -3 degrees, what was the maximum temperature? In other words, the temperature was -3 and it rose plus 19 degrees. And then -3 plus 19 is 16 degrees Celsius was the maximum temperature. Example 5. An island has a mountain which is 1,150 meters high. The surrounding ocean has a depth of 520 meters. What is the difference in height? In other words, you've got the mountain 1,150 meters minus the depth 520 is equal to 630 meters. That's the difference in height. In the next video, I will discuss multiplication and division of integers. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next video.